And in order to find my total angle sum, that means if I add 6 angles that are all 120 degrees, or I can take the shortcut and multiply together, 6 times 120 is 720 degrees. Now there's a pattern that's going to start to form here, more so here than here. This one is going to be a little bit harder to derive. Okay, the third triangle is going to be 60 degrees if you measured it, and 3 60-degree angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Now here's where we're going to be able to find a pattern. This one again is going to be a little bit more difficult. It looks like we're going up by 30, but I skipped one. So this one is a little bit tricky. We'll go back to that one. Okay, my angle sum here, okay, my angle sum, I went from 180 to 360. It doubled or increased by 180. And then it doubles again, but it skips a spot. Okay, so in order to find this pattern, I'm just going to repeat an addition. Okay, from one point to the next, I'm going to add 180 degrees here, and I'm going to add 180 degrees here, and I'm going to add 180 degrees again. I'm going to keep adding. So 360 plus 180 is going to give me 540 degrees. And then this pattern will continue on the way down. So if I add another plus 180 degrees, I should end up at 900 degrees for the heptagon, for the 7-sided figure, from here to here. Go again, another 180 degrees, another 180 degrees, and so on. This becomes 1080 degrees. 1080 degrees. I'll go another 180 degrees. I will be at 1200 and I believe 60 degrees. If I go another 180 degrees, I'll be at 1440 degrees. 1440. Okay. So if we keep going, let's see if we can find a pattern. Now, I did 3 times 60 equals 180. I did 4 times 90 equals 360. I did 6 times 120 equals 70. I'm sure I can go in reverse and do the opposite to find my measure of the angle. Now, if you measure them, you got like 110 or 105, you're actually really, really close. And the reason why these angles here we don't measure usually is because there's a lot of human error. We as humans are not perfect, so we make a lot of mistakes, and a lot of the fine-tuning can get messed up. So this should be 540 divided by 5. So 540 divided by 5. So it's in the opposite direction. So I should have 540 here, 540 degrees divided by 5, and that should give me my answer there. I should have here 900 degrees divided by 7. That should give me my answer here, and so on. I should have 1080 divided by 8. I should have 1260 divided by 9. And last but not least, 1440 divided by 10. And I should be able to fill out all my angles